Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Haikal Muzaffar bin Iskandar Fahmi, and I'm going to talk about the introduction. So, in this modernization era, plastic surgery has been a trend among the people, especially to beautify themselves. Plastic surgery can be defined as a surgical specialty that is concerned with the reconstruction, restoration, or improvement of the human body. However, it can be divided into two main categories, which are reconstructive surgery and cosmetic surgery. Moving on, reconstructive surgery is a surgery that repairs and rebuilds damaged tissues. Besides, this treatment is also being applied when there are problems such as body defects, injuries, and diseases. For example, if someone had a car crash before and the accident affected one of their body parts, such as the face, so reconstructive surgery will be done by the specialist to restore and reconstruct the broken face. Next is cosmetic surgery. Cosmetic surgery is used to improve the appearance of the body. This surgery usually is an optional surgery because the main priority is for beauty. Moreover, plastic surgery is a complicated and difficult discipline that necessitates a high degree of skill and competence. Plastic surgeons must be able to execute a broad variety of treatments, ranging from minor repairs to extensive reconstructions. They must also be able to successfully interact with their patients and understand their specific requirements and goals. Hence, we as Muslims must always be aware and notify ourselves to know what is right and what is wrong. If we are doing it for the sake of beauty and to get compliments from the public, then we should rethink and avoid doing it. But if we are doing it because of injuries, disease, or etc., then it would be fine to do so. May Allah SWT protect us from choosing the wrong path.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Idham bin Haris Suhairi with battery number 2015497, and I'm going to talk about plastic surgery from Islamic perspective, which includes its Islamic rulings and also plastic surgery and maqasid syariah. عن ابن مسعود رضي الله عنه قال لعن الله الواشمات والمتوشمات والمتنمصات والمتفلجات بالحسن المغيرات خلق الله, which means Allah has cursed those women who practice tattooing and those women who have themselves tattooed and those women who get their hair removed from their eyebrows and faces and those who make artificial spaces between their teeth for beauty, whereby they change Allah's creation. So from this athar, we can clearly see that actually changing Allah's creation is forbidden in Islam, as the people who make this will be cursed by Allah. So the question is, as we know that plastic surgery literally changing what is originally happened to this particular person. So is it forbidden in Islam or how? Let us see. So for the cosmetic one, it is literally to beautify someone's appearance, which changing Allah's creation with no doubt. So this is forbidden in Islam by ijma'. And the second one is medical plastic surgery. So Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam has commanded us to look for cure, as he said, "Fatadawu wa la tadawu biharamin," which means so treat yourselves medically but use nothing unlawful. And also as long as it is not harmful to the patient, as Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "La darara wa la dirara," which means there should neither be harming of others without cause nor reciprocating harm between two parties. So if it is not if there is no haram source and also it is not harmful to the patient, so this type of plastic surgery is allowed in Islam. So what about plastic surgery and maqasid syariah? How do we relate both of these things? So the permissibility of medical plastic surgery is in line with two maqasid syariah, which is preserving life and also preserving property. How does it preserve someone's life? As we know that some of the diseases may lead to death, for example. So by conducting this plastic surgery, it might help the patient to cure his or her disease. And also, how does it preserve property? Because some of the diseases may require the person to attend so many checkups and treatments which require higher cost. So if he just go through one medical plastic surgery, for example, then he doesn't need to go to any other treatments after that. So how about the prohibition of cosmetic plastic surgery? It is in line with two also maqasid syariah, which are preserving religion and preserving property. So how does it preserve someone's religion? As we know that Allah cursed people who change His creation, so that if by prohibiting this type of plastic surgery, someone may retain his status in Islam, so that he doesn't change Allah's creation. And also, how does it preserve property? Because as we know nowadays, we can see there are a lot of complications and bad effects happen after the plastic surgery, the cosmetic plastic surgery. So these patients need to attend so many treatments after that to cure these additional diseases. So by prohibiting this type of cosmetic plastic surgery, it may avoid from this thing happen, which is they don't need to go to any other treatments because of the failure of this cosmetic plastic surgery. So that's all from me in terms of plastic surgery from Islamic perspective.
My name is Muhammad Firdaus and I will present awareness about plastic surgery. To assess the understanding, knowledge and awareness about plastic surgery among Muslims in IIUM Gombak, we had doing a survey in Google Form and spread it using WhatsApp. And there were 42 respondents, 27 male and 70 female who respond to our survey. For the awareness about plastic surgery, about 97.6% had heard about plastic surgery before, and 71.4% correctly identified the original purpose of plastic surgery. And next, 64.3% were unsure about the prevalence of plastic surgery in Malaysia. And for the Islamic ruling on plastic surgery part, 69% of respondents were confident that medical plastic surgery is permitted in Islam. And 28.6% were unsure, and 2.4% disagree which it allows. And for the cosmetic part, 85.7% know that the cosmetic plastic surgery is not permitted in Islam, while 14.3% were uncertain about this ruling. Also, we include 3 scenarios to test the respondent their knowledge on Islamic ruling of plastic surgery. First scenario, 73.8% agree that those born with a partial body defect can undergo plastic surgery to treat the defect. And second scenario, all respondents agree that plastic surgery is allowed to heal body damage caused by a fire incident. And the third scenario, 97.6% respondents state about that Islamic ruling prohibit plastic surgery for beauty enhancement. So the overall finding, Muslim at IUM have awareness and understanding about plastic surgery and its alignment with principle. And regarding the permissibility of plastic surgery for medical or cosmetic, maybe additional effort are need to enhance knowledge and clarify uncertainties regarding the permissibility for medical and cosmetic plastic surgery within the Islamic context. For the recommendation to discourage cosmetic plastic surgery among Muslims in Malaysia, first, through spreading awareness about Islamic ruling on plastic surgery, encourage critical thinking, highlight potential risks and consequences, promote self-acceptance and inability, provide resource and guidance on alternative approach to address concern. So this will help individual make informed decision that align with their religious value and help them develop realistic expectation and consider alternative way to enhance their self-esteem and self-acceptance. Social media can be an effective platform for spreading awareness campaign about plastic surgery, its risks and consequences. The authorities can collaborate with public figure or scholars to create creative content that capture users' attention, and by using platform like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, it can accelerate the spreading of the campaign and encourage viewer to share the content. Next, but educate the youngest generation about self-acceptance, healthy body image, and risk and consequence of plastic surgery. The Ministry of Education should integrate topic related to self-acceptance, body image, and the impact of plastic surgery in secondary school for educational initiative. The community program should collaborate with organization, religious institution, and youth group to develop interactive session and activity that promote self-acceptance, positive body image, and awareness of potential risks associated with plastic surgery. The social media can use for that can use for reach the younger generation and promote positive message about self-acceptance and health body image. Lastly, the government should enforce legal action against cosmetic plastic surgery to protect individual and ensure ethical practice. And they can fine may be imposed for individuals involved in promoting illegal plastic surgery, while warning should be issued to prevent harmful practice among Muslims. And legal action against cosmetic plastic surgery can help protect individuals from potential harm, ensure ethical practice, and maintain the integrity of the profession.